Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan. Today we're going to look at this 2018 Bmw X1. This is a wonderful entry-level SUV for BMW. It's only entry-level in the sense that it's the smallest vehicle SUV that they have. It does have plenty of features to go around. It does have proximity entry on the front doors, which is always nice getting in and out of the vehicle. It also has a power liftgate with a security cover for all of your items out back. Now, what I like about the power liftgate is you have the power liftgate, but you also have a lock button. So if you were to push that lock button, it will not only close the gate, but lock all of the doors. So you don't have to push it anything on the fob or go up to the door to lock it. Now, there is just enough room out back to have some passengers. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. And the nice thing is the seats do fold down near flat if you needed that extra storage room. Now, up front, you have this is where it really happens. You have a heads-up display, which is wonderful. You have your memory seats. You have your heated seats. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward, and it just looks amazing with navigation. And a panoramic sunroof. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other ones on our lot, please feel free to give us a call and ask for me or come into the showroom, and we'd be more than willing to help you. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.